To reduce 40,000 trucks from roads and improve the environment, Yara has teamed up with technical and maritime leaders to deliver an innovative transportation solution that will positively impact traffic, reduce CO2 emissions, and ultimately transform the maritime industry. Introducing Yara Birkeland, the world's first zero-emission, fully electric, autonomous cargo feeder. Created from the need to solve climate, road safety, and traffic congestion challenges.
The ocean floor is littered with our engineering failures and mistakes. You need to respect the power of what happens out there.
There's still things to be discovered. If we have a zero-risk philosophy, we are doomed.
When we first conceived of this idea, I wasn't sure it was going to be possible. We were talking about an intelligent vehicle out in the middle of the Atlantic Ocean.
We built a ship, put autonomy into it, and now we're learning what that means.
You just maintain your course and speed.
The pressure's certainly building as we're getting closer to the launch. There's a lot that we need to deliver.
Right. Something going wrong.
What keeps me up at night is we break down somewhere in the middle of the Atlantic, and it's something so trivial.
Working on a boat like this, you kind of have to figure stuff out on your own.
To get some drama. No, we need to find out what happened, but it wasn't responding. So we'd lost comms. I just want to finish shaking her out and start across.
The crossing?
The crossing.
The crossing.
So when you say the crossing,
Atlantic.
that little bit.
Yeah.
Yeah, good luck.
When it pulls out of Plymouth and I know it's not coming back for 6 months. When I see the rear end of it and the stern of it going around Ream Head, headed off west, that's going to be exciting.
IBM really likes projects that are really pushing the envelope to do really exciting and novel things.
What if we had hundreds of these vessels? This is going to transform ocean science.
Trying and failing doesn't bother me. It's if we don't do everything we can do to ensure success.
What will mobility look like in the future? This is presently one of the most pertinent questions. Traffic jams are a daily occurrence in many cities, and the volume of traffic continues to increase. Individual transportation in particular often lacks suitable and, above all, attractive alternatives. Solutions to this problem are being developed all over the world. In Kiel, we also recognize this potential and focus on the development of a new mobility. Based on the city's geographic location and traffic situation, the Viaro sub-project is presenting a future concept for ferry traffic on the fjord. Several scientists and working groups are involved in the development, namely from Kiel University, Kiel University of Applied Sciences, Mathusius University of Fine Arts and Design, and representatives from politics, administration, and industry. The initiative addresses the entire mobility chain, including connections between bus and ferry services. Based on an electric, autonomous ferry, two concepts have been developed in the Viaro project, each with its own solution approach. The advantages of an electric propulsion are obvious. Emission-free, with electricity from renewable sources, and quiet, the ferry glides across the Kiel Fjord. Autonomous operation, in turn, can increase the frequency of service significantly. The ferry is available on demand at all times, and operation is possible around the clock every day. The combination of the technologies results in a future concept with particular clout. True to the motto, making innovations visible, the new ferry will also create a new landmark for the city. In the future, tourists will be told, if I come to Kiel, I definitely want to take the new ferry.